Hey guys, I'm going to try to get the rest of these videos made. Having some webcam problems and some YouTube problems, go figure. This is project number 4. And when I was making a little traveler's notebook, I decided, hey, get everything together you want for a journal, make them in kits, put them together, and it takes up less storage. So, this is the first kit I made. Kind of happy with it, to be honest with you. This is my elastic band to sew in my signature, and I put my little grommets in. I did this one with a paper cover. Sorry, I had it way up there. I did this one with a paper cover, and it's okay. So yeah, it's okay. I need to put ribbon with it for closure. I haven't done that yet because I made this in RV and didn't have any ribbon with me. But I have a mixture of papers already folded and cut for my signature from various projects, various things that I have done. Just took scraps really to make the signature for this one. And they're in different sizes, so yeah, it's all the way, in the back, so just the rest of these. So I stick them in there. I'm going to stick my elastic band in there. I put a sheet of these in here to use for my tags, and then I took the papers that I want to use and the wording and put them in here. Now, here's my thought. I have all of these wordings stuck in here, and probably will not use all of it in this one journal, but they're here in case I decide to sell these kits. I'm not sure yet. I may. That way they have extras left over. And then I have these little vellum pictures to use. I have different sizes that can be cut for tuck spots or pockets or whatever. Is this the same paper? No, this is a different wallpaper from another book, but I put pieces in there. This is an envelope. I need to go back and score it, but it is a mini envelope. And here's another mini envelope and more. And if I do decide to sell them, I'll put them in glassine bags. I just put them in here for now because we're in the RV. And here is a little mini tag, and I think I have quite a few tags in here. Here's another mini envelope I still need to score, and I will do that. Some more small pieces can be made into small tags. And you know, a lot of people say not to decorate their journals, so if I sell them, they'll end up with all of this to have for another journal they make. And then all of this Tim Holtz tissue paper I put in here just in case I decided I wanted to do something extra. And I put a bag of tabs from cut out from wallpaper in here, just in case. You know, I don't know if I will use this myself, if I will end up putting it together and selling it, or if I will sell it as a kit. But right now, what I'm leaning toward doing, and I've already discussed this with Carhartt, and what I'm thinking seriously about doing is, when I open Etsy back up, when we get back off the road, have a lot of stuff already made up in kits and sell them so that the person can buy it, decorate it the way they want it, or not decorate it, just put it together. But for everyone that I sell, I will also send one to Defy for a artist to be able to make one. And that's the route I'm actually truthfully leaning toward right now. It depends on if I can get enough made up while I'm on the road of various different types of kits. And you know, I think it would be a great way to give back. I think it would be a great way for them to learn how to make things. And for those of you that don't know, Defy is a Disabled Artists Foundation Incorporated. that sends craft supplies to disabled artists for free. And I do like to donate to them. I donate as much as I can to them. And to bust up my stash more, I'm really leaning toward making up these kits and just selling one. And for every one I sell, I give one. So we'll see how this goes. I'll let you know the 1st of June. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.